going on, guys? It's 1022 John here, and we are back, and I have an arrow in my shoulder. That looks painful. I just got into a fight over there. As you can see, not too much has changed. I just moved a few things around, getting ready for this episode. Probably going to get rid of this at some point. But over here, you can see I've expanded the pile of things that I've discarded because I don't want to have in my inventory at the current moment in time. That's what this pile will be known until I have a storage system, in which case I'll destroy this pile. But try to keep it somewhat organized, but I mean there are places where I've just like kind of thrown everything in there. Creeper came up, blew up here. I was like, oh, what? Here we go. Just perfect time to go ahead and just take fixed it all up, made it even better than before, and all this stuff is just making coal. So I can fuel all of these furnaces, which I use to make these things. We'll need a lot of this, and a lot of this in this episode, and probably another thing that I didn't think through too well. Darn. Darn, I didn't think that one through perfectly, did I? No, I did not. Well, I'll be back. Alrighty, guys, we are back, and oh, ow. You know, jumping around actually isn't the smartest thing to do up here, I would say. But anyways, we are back, and we are, I made some more solar panels. I made a little makeshift thing around that so that I can, the redstone tended to explode everywhere. It didn't go straight into my inventory. But anyways, I made 9 of these, or I made 7 more, I should say. And those should be charging up. Now the problem we had in the last episode was that I had no way of transmitting the power from this to that. I thought it would go over, but it wouldn't. So what I need is a conduit, if I can spell you. That's right there. I'll just. So how do I make this? Binder, composite, clay, gravel, and wait. Can I just make? Oh no, it has to be sand. Now I'm really regretting not making that infinite water source. So, anyways, let's see. I need, what was it? I needed sand. I needed this. I gotta make sure not to touch that because then my makeshift thingy will be destroyed. I also need some dust. No, don't touch that either. I'll have to break that away in just a second. Alright, and then I need to get some clay, which means I need glass most of all. So I'll put a little, let's see. I'll take that, and then the rest of these I'll make into that. Doesn't matter if I touch that now. Go. Place all the blocks, Go. Yay! Well, that was stupid of me. I meant to, I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, go. Get it all done. I gotta get it all done. Let's see. I'll just do this, and then it should be good. Ta-da! My masterpiece. Destroy it. Still haven't done anything down underneath the base like I said I would, but that's still a work in progress. Right now, most important thing is getting a certain degree of automation going. Alright, that's good. We're doing just fine now. And I'll make a little bit of dust so I can make the clay. I'll leave myself with 32. You know what? I think I'm gonna steal some of that water from in there. I've upgraded to using iron tools, which is really nice. Except for my sword, but I don't use my sword that often. Although I probably should upgrade my sword if anything. Wait, why am I making a bucket? I got buckets over in my storage chest. Over here. These are the ones I'm looking for. I saw that clay bucket back there, but didn't want to use that one. I need more. I just realized. I was thinking that, yeah. So I need more. There we go. I'll put you down right here. I'll just make you a big one. Do this. And this. That should be good. Hopefully I'm not in an ice biome anymore, so they'll freeze. I'll fix that in just a second. Gotta fix this first though. And ta-da! Big water pool. So now I can just... Well, first I gotta empty out my inventory a little bit. Because I don't need all of this stuff. I'll keep what I do need though. I'll take that out because that doesn't go there. Alright. Now, just take these, fill it up. Alright. Boop. Boop, boop, and lucky bucket. Yeah, that's right. I'm glad I was right, because if I need to make it out of sand, I just wouldn't be making it. I just quit right now. I just, nope, I'm not even gonna bother. That's kind of neat looking. Hot tub! Woo! Need to put like fire underneath it. Make this out of stone, put some fire underneath it so it bubbles and smokes. Anyways, let's see. My brain. Oh yeah. So I'll do this real quick. I don't have a shovel because, I mean, really, how often do you need a shovel in a world with no grass or no dirt or anything? I mean, there is dirt, but any dirt that I make is manufactured and put in a specific location. So, let's see, make that. To make that, I should have all the stuff to make it. Come over here. Ta-da! 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 Okay. I don't like that. It's 63. I'll do it anyways, though. Alright, I'll just let that smelt up for a little bit. Because I don't really need that much. Wait, does it have a... Oh, it has a double outcome. Alright. That is very helpful. I was thinking it did because I couldn't... I remember for one time I made a bunch of it on a different world. And I was like, oh, wow. Wee bit much. Like, I did the math and did it all perfectly, and then I was like, oh, wait, it makes 2 for every 1 smelt? Alright, and then, ta-da. And I think it smelts a bit quicker than normal, too, don't it? Yeah, it's a bit quicker. And copper, I think that's it, too. Oh, conductive iron. Why? Can I just make... No, that's energetic alloy. Can't... Redstone conduit? Oh, redstone alloy. Don't have that. Don't have any of that stuff. And I don't think there's such... Is there a wire? Wire. Helps if I spell it with a W-I-R. Wire. I don't think any of these things are actually placeable. No, they're not. Alright. So, I need a alloy. How do you spell that? A-L-A? I'll just do the conduit. There we go. What? There it is. How do you? There we go. So to make that, I need that. To make that, I also need this. To make an alloy smelter, I need this, which isn't. That's annoying. That's gonna take a lot more redstone than I have, isn't it? Well, I'll see you guys in 100 years. Alright guys, we're back. That didn't take nearly as long as I expected it to. Still took a little bit, but I should have everything. Oh, that's the wrong one. Oh yeah, make this. And then make this. Ta-da! Now I hope that this can, yes, it can pull out. Alright. So, up here, oh wait, no, oi mate, you're doing the wrong, yeah, mate, you're doing it wrong, mate. Is this the right thing? I hope this is the right thing, because if it is, that's a waste of redstone, and I'm gonna have to spend 5 more hours doing this. While that's cooking up, I guess I'll go, that little dust that I have left over, I'll just kind of come over here and finish it off. Alright, get that out. Boop, boop. Oh, I could use some dust. I only picked, yeah, that's what it says. I only picked up one of them. But I don't think it's from the same mod, but it's from a similar mod, so that's the reason these things interface well. And this can actually pull power out. Oh, wait. Furnace mode. All smelting out. Yes, that's exactly what I needed. And how many does this make per thing? Hold up. 70. It makes 8. Let's see. Ow. Oh, okay. Skeleton. Skeleton. Ow, whoa, why is this so loud? Hey man, my volume is way too loud. I could hear those guys like right in my ear over here. Like it sounded like that is right beside me. I need another capacitor. I don't have the stuff to make another capacitor. Oh me. This should... Wait, what am I doing? That's for chunks. This all needs to go in here. Got plenty of copper, I just need more redstone. I need redstone. Give me redstone. Made half a stack into that. Bones. Come on, one more. It's nearly done. Come on, man. You can do it. You can do it. Okay. Anyways, I can put like a capacitor. That's the thing that I crafted earlier. I can put one of them in there and it'll speed it up and make it more fuel efficient. I believe it makes it more fuel efficient. I know it makes it hold more fuel. I think it makes it more fuel efficient as well. Anyways, over here, ow, broke my legs. Alright, come over here, take this out. I should be, of course I'd build it off one, but that's alright, because I got more than enough. Oh, I did it, I did it, I did. Yeah. I sound like a 3-year-old. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I got it working. I got it working. Oh. Albeit not very fastly, because these things are terrible at producing power. And them cables are actually terrible at transmitting the power as well, so. See, these things get insane amounts of power if I have enough of them or the right type, but I don't have the right type or enough of them. See, these are just tier 1, and they generate 1 under good conditions. Tier 2, 8 under good conditions. 3, 32. 128, 512, 2048, and then past that point, it's just like you step into the verge of insanity. Like, there's no reason you'd need. Look, this one holds more, or it produces more than this one can hold. That's just insane. Let's see. Yes, it's making the gravel. Perfect. And just for this, I know I need more power. Let's see if I could take that one out, and then I still wouldn't be able to do it. Oh well, I'm just happy I got this done. Hey, now I need more, because there's a reason I put this cobblestone box here. Why must I do this to myself? Well, first off, I think I need to make more of these. So, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make more of them. I think I'm gonna take away these that I already have here. Alright. So that should be all of them. And then I just need a piston, which I can't make. I'll see you guys back in a minute. Bam. And bam. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, this. Oh, that. Oh, wow. So that should be producing more power. Let's see, is it actually getting a surplus though? No, it's just holding at 8. But I should be able to add the other one on. And then that boosted it by a little bit. Okay, so I need a lot more redstone, which means I'll need a lot more time. On the bright side, I think this thing is doing about 1 for every 100 I do, so. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put a 2 more diamond. Oh, wait. Do I make another one of these? Yeah, I'll make another one of them. So, I shouldn't actually need any redstone for it. I should have everything that I need. I just need diamonds. 1, 2. This. This. Can I make it this way? Oh, I can. That works. And then this. Alright. That. Up like that. And hammer. Where'd the glass come from, huh, game? Can you explain that? Alright. And then I'll get another one of you. Should have another one. Somewhere here. Probably in this far chest up here. See, I'm somewhat organized. Can't be completely unorganized. Oh, whoa. Wait. Oh, wow. I might actually be getting a surplus right now. Or before I place this other one. Which probably drained it all. Yep. Well, down the rabbit hole we go. And I'm off to go get more stuff. Why? Wait. Alright, we're back, guys, and I am grabbing the stuff out of the furnace. Ooh, hot glass. That, and that. Wait, oh yeah, that's good. Good. Mirrors. Lots and lots of mirrors are necessary. And also, lots of wood. I should have enough. Alright, that's perfect. That's the perfect amount. Alright, so now I need some cobble. Run over here and just grab a little of that cobble. I need wood. That's good. Piston. Get some more piston action going on. And then ta-da! All that time spent making this, but it's gonna make production go up significantly, probably tenfold to be honest. Let's see, is either of these holding charge? No, they're not holding charge. Well, I don't know. It's not gonna last through the night. I know it's not gonna be able to make enough power to do that, but let's see. Do some more apples. Guess I'll make a few more of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 8. There we go. And then I'll make another piston. And then I'll make this. I'll break this one with a pickaxe, preferably. Ow. I'm gonna kill myself jumping off that thing. Ta-da! And ta-da. So now I should be making enough power to keep these things fueled up. Yeah, the sun's going down, so it's not as efficient as it would be. See, the light level's going down. Should still be more efficient than that, but anyways. What all do I need to make tier 2? Oh yeah, I've got to use all this now. That's going to be a little bit ahead. I've got to automate this first, so for now, ow. What all do I need to make a capacitor bank? That'll work. Lots more redstone. Ah! Why does it take so much redstone? Oh, Lord. I really need Blake in this series, just so I can get him to just sit there and mine. I mean, like, seriously, like, that, having somebody help me mine would be helpful, because that little bit of redstone, I had like 20 pieces, that took me over an hour to get. Of course, I had to turn some of it into glass, and then a lot of it is me collecting, but still, that took over an hour. I think it was 4 when I started this video. It's currently 6. Anyways, let's see. Oh, didn't mean to do that. I should probably make some more, or harvest some more gravel too, because I don't have much. I have 2 pieces of iron. Yeah, I need more gravel. I just need it all. That's what I need. I just need it all. I'll make some more solar panels just because why not? 3 more solar panels. That didn't finish off the last of my redstone, but it came pretty darn close. So let's see. I guess I'll do this, this, and this. That way, all of this can. I don't need to fuel you up currently, but wait, these are still charging? Oh wait, no, that's saying how much is in it. Huh, odd. Hey, look, it's producing. The more of these I add on, the faster the production will actually get. So that's good. Guess I'll see you back when it's daytime, so we can see if it's actually getting a positive amount. A beautiful sunrise, and I hear a zombie somewhere. Probably down there. Definitely down there. Sun's coming up. It's starting to get light to the solar panels, so these things should start harvesting. Yeah, they are. Just very slowly. Could you be quiet, Zombert? I'm making a video. Where's the Zombert? That's concerning. I hear him, but I hear a Zombert, but I do not see a Zombert. Oh, there you are. Ow. Oh, I'm about to die. That's embarrassing. I keep forgetting that there's combat mechanics in this edition, so the faster I punch, the less damage it does. Let's see, how can I get up there? I never intended to need to get up there, so I guess I'll break this. Place it here. And then come up could have been bad. That could have been real bad, actually. Alright, put y'all down there, because I don't want y'all clogging up my inventory. Alright, so, the charge is going. Is it filling up? No, but I think that might be because of this guy over here. Yeah, he's sucking some of the charge out. Yeah, he's sucking quite a bit out, actually. Well, let me grab you. Let me cut this one's supply off. Put it over here. Oh! Oh, it's able to hold... Wait, is that holding the line? There's no way. It's holding. It's holding at 28. So, in theory... Or not. I think it might just barely be doing it, but not quite. Actually, no, it's not quite doing it. So, more solar panels. Great. Why must I make so many solar panels? Can't wait till these things are like cheap, small fries. That'll be the day. Ta-da! And then make this. I gotta make some of these. Not enough. Are you kidding me? You've got to be kidding me. Oh, wait. Yeah. Okay, it's good. I didn't shift click, I thought I did. Might hit control or cap locks. Let's see. This. Bada boom, bada boom. Come up here. And even though I know this is how they work because I've used them before, just so I can be absolutely 100% certain, I'm doing this. Knock out this block. Put this in. So it's actually doing fairly well now. Making a positive amount, not quite. But making an amount, it is. You know what? I'm just going to make a coal generator for now. Coal. Let's see. I'll just type in generator. Culinary. Sterling generator? How expensive are you? You're cheap. Of course, I wouldn't have any though, so. Oh, look. Zombert, is that you? I thought I saw Zombert. Alrighty. And then make something of this into dust. Good thing I hopped off then, because if I didn't, I would probably hopped off into the void. I saw some redstone. Hey, so that's 2. Maybe I got lucky and some of it exploded outside to where I could pick it up. No. Of course, I couldn't be that lucky, you know. So I need to make the piston. which means I need more cobblestone stuff. I'm just gonna grab stuff out of this chest. Yeah, it's been coming along a little bit. Alright, so I'll come over here, dump all this crap in here. Do that, and that. And I don't need these, so you can go there. And there. I seriously need an ME system. Alright. Do this. And then I can just boom, 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 boom. My system still works. By the way, I'm playing on Sky Factory version 3, so if any of you guys have a weird issue where the things don't actually work, make sure you're playing in version 3 and not version 2 or 2.5 or 1. Though personally, I think 2 and 2.5 had more than 3 does. I still like this better just because of how easy it is in the early stages. I mean, it doesn't look easy, but it's a lot easier than it is in the other ones. Like this, sieving all of these at once would not been possible. I don't even think the other edition had vein miner. Best I can remember, it didn't even have vein miner. That was a nightmare. If it had vein miner, I didn't know how it worked. Brain. Oh yeah. Over here. Iron ore, iron ore, iron ore, iron ore. Alrighty. Do this, and this, and this. And then take this and then do that, and then ta-da. Wish they made that shapeless. That would have been a nice thing for them to do. I'll just split this up in my inventory and then put it into the thingies. Did I hear like a jukebox? Thought I heard a jukebox. I might be going crazy. I've played way too much Minecraft today. Oh, I gotta edit videos still. Why? Why do I do this to myself? Alright, so take you. Go bing bang bam. There it goes. Oh, there's glass in there. Alright. So I'll take that, and take that. Alright. And let's see, what all do I need to make? Oh wait, that's a draconic generator. Ooh, hey! Yeah, I don't have a draconic core though. Not happening. Let's see. Combustion, sterling. How much power does this put out? Does it say? Burned fuel generates power, but can upgrade to output and efficiency with capacitors. Alright, that'll work. That'll work real well. So, I need a piston. I don't have. Oh, I have them in my inventory already. That'll work. Is it? It has to be stone bricks. I can do. I can deal with that. I'll get some of you cooking up already. Cobblestone. I need you. I believe there's like a long crafting recipe for the gears, if I'm not mistaken. Or maybe it's not such a long crafting recipe. I just make some sticks. Alright. And then I come over here. That's not bad. I could use a little bit more of you. Thank you, game. Well, I'd like to have another star generator. That'd be something. Where's the furnace generator MK1? Oh no, that's expensive. That redstone block there would take about 20 minutes for me to get. It shouldn't that long, but it's a lot longer than I'd rather be spending on it. And I might have just crashed my game. Did it work? It worked. Okay, and then do this. Boom, boom, boom. Grab that. Bada book, bada boom. Come over here. Wish I had a way to store the energy, because this is probably going to be very wasteful and very inefficient. But here goes nothing. 20 RF per tick. Well, actually, that's not bad. It could be better. It's not bad. I think these consume how much? Let's see. Should tell me AUTO. It doesn't tell me. It is enough to get them moving pretty well, though. So I'll take it. I'll take whatever I can get. You know, that's not that bad. Alright. Good thing comes when I get everything completely automated, where I get like solar panels going and all that stuff. Like, I got them going, but that's like scratching the surface of the power potential from the solar panel. If I could get the max level thing right now, the max level solar panel, which is not going to happen throughout the entire series, most likely, but if I could get it, it would change power. Like, power would not be a issue right now, which I would not mind that one bit, but that takes a little bit of the challenge away. I would recommend this game to anyone unless you're very impatient, because this game takes a lot of grinding. And if you're one of those guys who just can't sit down and play a game and do almost nothing forever, and then finally you do one thing and you're like, well, gotta do some more stuff, this is not your game. This game that's exactly what this game is. Like, you have to sit down, place blocks, break blocks. Place blocks, break blocks. Oh, finally I broke all the blocks. Gotta go sieve them. See what I'm saying? But it is a fun game. And that feeling once you get it all done and everything's working perfectly. Oh, it's a good feeling. Alright, so I can make this work better. I should be able to do it with all the stuff that I have. Should just be actually fairly cheap. Do I have my iron box yet? Yeah. Nope, that's the wrong thing. Wrong number. I can't type. And this time it's because my fingers aren't working. Capacitor. Now I can. Oh no, that's gonna take. Yeah, not happening. Because I'll take more redstone. More redstone is not something that I have. Generates. Okay, it boosted that. Carbon 263. I don't know if the chemical or atomic mass of carbon goes up that high. I'm fairly certain carbon 220. I mean, the sky's the limits, but do we even know what carbon 263 is? Like, that. Sky's the limits with that sort of thing, but still. Doop. already? Good thing I made all that extra charcoal, because we'll be needing a lot of that. I imagine this will actually be making a positive amount once we get all of the everything set up. It's amazing that I keep going up in XP with how much I'm dying. I'll just stick this all into. No, don't go in there. You, and you. I'll put you to spread out. Ah, no. You keep forgetting that you can make things like that. Ah, I heard him coming. He's got googly eyes. I want googly eyes. Oh, my phone's ringing. Hold on a sec. Oh. Alright guys, we're back, and unfortunately this is gonna be my last clip because I've gotta edit 2 videos. I've gotta edit another Minecraft video, which should be an easier one to edit, and then I have to edit a oh my lord, I have to edit a Outcross video, and then I've got to go to bed because I've got to go hunting in the morning. Or I don't have to, but I am going hunting in the morning. Broadside things, this is going up. Both of them are, and that is super nice. So now these things should be churning out ores, or not ores, but gravel. See? Yeah, it's going up fairly nicely. And I can even, which I'm not going to do, but I can craft more diamond hammers and put in there, and it will speed it up. But for now, I'm not going to do that. Maybe in the future, I'll make a fully automated sieving system. But for now, I am super happy with this. I mean, even though it is technically like only sieving one set, I'm still happy with it. And I'll probably make a system where I'll sieve all different sorts. But I am super happy right now with this. I'm glad that I'm getting a positive amount of energy right now during the daytime, at least. I'll probably make more of these. Also, I got a zombie skull. Pretty neat looking. But I'll be making more of these. They make a decent amount of electricity, and I'd love to be able to power my base off of them, but I can't, not right now because this. But I will make another one of these probably before I get off this world. But for now, I am going to have to end this episode here, guys. If you guys have enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave a like, and if you really enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe. But this is 1022 John signing off. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Oh, that was a long one.